Howdy everybody, it's Steve here. I've always loved playing this song. It was written way back in 1970 by a lady called Melanie Safka. She just usually goes by the name of Melanie. Now, she wrote it after performing at Woodstock. She was so impressed with the crowd and kind of describes looking out at the vast crowd, sea of people in the audience, called Lay Down. And then in brackets, Candles in the Wind. And it goes like this. Lay down, lay down, lay down. Let your white birds smile at the ones who're standing. You gotta lay down, lay down, lay down. Let your white birds smile at the ones who're standing around. We were so close, there was no room. We bled inside each other's rooms. We all had caught the same disease. We all sang